guys, so ayan na yung mamahalin kong eyeglasses. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So magkakaroon nga ako ngayon ng visual checkup. Let's go! Dito guys, chinek na nga yung mata ko using for equipment. Tapos dito, may prescription na binigay ko na yung frame na napili ko. Tapos nagko-compute na kung magkano ang babayaran ko. Yan. So, I'm waiting sa part na to. Guys, ayan. So, kakatapos ko lang ng aking eye check-up at bumili kami ng eyeglasses. My goodness! Magkano ba ang binayaran namin doon? Oh my gosh! So, yung check-up dito guys, cost $225 USD. Oh my gosh, that's already around 12,000 pesos in pesos. Pumunta na kami guys dun sa katabing store where you get your eyeglasses. And ano to, yung frame na pinili ko, it cost $199.95. Pero guys, meron naman dun mas mura, $125. So, pinili ko lang yung nasa mid. Hindi siya yung masyadong mamahalin. Hindi rin siya yung pinakamura. So, yun. Tapos guys, yung lens, single vision, kung ano ba to, ewan ko, $370. Tapos, non-glare, $145. So, in total, guys, $714.95. Oh my goodness, nasyak ako, guys. $714.95. Oh my gosh. Pag isip-isip ko, magkano na yun sa peso? Oh my goodness, ang mahal. Kinompute ko siya. Nasa ano na siya. Yung $714.95, almost 40,000 na siya, nasa 39,000 ganun kung sa peso. Oh my gosh, yung salamin lang yun guys ha. Oh my goodness, kaloka, it's crazy. Ang mahal, na bigla ako guys, promise. Sabihin ko, magpapacheck up ka dito guys ng mata mo, magpapasalamin ka, this is most likely yung babayaran mo around 50,000. So around 40,000 yung eyeglasses ko. And then, nasa 10,000 something yung check-up. So, 50,000 guys na mahiwaga. Oh my gosh, matutulog na lang ako. Pwede wag na lang mag-eyeglasses. Kung pwede lang guys talaga, hindi na ako mag-eyeglasses. Kaya lang kailangan ko mag-eyeglasses kasi pumunta ako doon sa DMV kasi kukuha nga ako ng driver's license. Hindi ako pinatake ng exam nang wala akong eyeglasses. Kaya kailangan kong gumawa ng eyeglasses. Oh my goodness, that's like 50,000 pesos already. Ang mahal, kaloka. How much did we pay for the eye checkup guys? $25 lang yung binayaran namin kasi covered ng insurance yung $200 US. Ang galing no guys, $225 for the checkup, and then yung $200 ay na-cover ng insurance ng asawa ko for me. Okay? So, advantage talaga guys kapag may insurance ka dito sa US. So, ako kasi may insurance na ako kasi inad ako ng asawa ko kahit wala pa akong trabaho dito. Inad niya ako sa kanyang insurance. Kaya may insurance na ako. Okay, so binayaran ba namin lahat yung $714.95? Well, the good thing is na less pa siya kasi dun sa insurance allowance. So, again, may insurance naman, guys. So, sa insurance allowance, yung nabawas ay $645. So, ang binayaran lang namin out of the pocket is magkano ba to? $263.97. Oh, perfect. Meron pala guys discount na $20, $20.98. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Oh, ang astig naman dito, as in na-amaze ako on how their insurance works. Una, yung asawa ko yung nagbabayad ng insurance, and then he can add many beneficiaries as he can. Yung asawa niya, yung anak niya, mga anak niya, ganun. So that's so cool. Diyan sa atin kasi iba naman yung klase ng insurance. Yung mga insurance na sa PhilHealth, diba? Oh my goodness. Tapos, may mga kasama na siya, the guys, tulad nito, kasama niya na yung visual examination, kahit yung eyeglasses, meron pang portion. Amazed talaga ako. Tapos yung dental. Tapos meron pa guys yung physical. Ang ganda ng how insurance works here sa bansa nila. Nagustuhan ko talaga. Pero talaga guys, hindi ako makaget over na yung today ko pala, yung check up, then yung pagkuha ng eyeglasses, nako, almost $1,000. Oh my goodness, that's like 50,000 pesos already. Ang mahal, kaloka. Anyway, babalik na lang kami dun to get my eyeglasses. Hi guys! So, today we're going to get my eyeglasses. O, diba? Ayan na guys. Yung pagkamahal-mahal na eyeglasses. Pagkamahal-mahal na check-up. Oh my goodness. This is $939.95 in total, including the checkup and the eyeglasses.
You worn glasses before?
Yes, but it's been a while.
Been a while. Okay, it's probably gonna take you a moment for your eyes to get adjusted again.
Yeah. At first I felt like I'm having a headache. Is that normal?
Yes, especially with that right eye. So let's just make sure they fit okay. I would definitely, as soon as you wake up in the morning, try them then. Has it been a couple years? Longer?
Yes.
Okay.
More than almost, I think, 2 years.
Okay. Yeah, so you're, especially that right eye, just needs to get back into it. Okay. They are
My
straight.
eyes are adjusting.
Yes. Are they straight? I mean, they are straight. Are they too tight or too loose? Any?
No, actually it's okay.
Yeah, it's that right eye.
That's
It
not-
has the more. Yeah, it has more.
So ayan na yung mamahalin kong eyeglasses. Okay, so makakapag-take na ako ng exam for my driver's license kasi meron na akong eyeglasses. Nakakapanibago guys, it's been a while. Hindi talaga ako nagsusuot na ng eyeglasses pero ngayon kailangan ko na kasi pag magdadrive. Guys, subscribe us for more videos.